What's up guys, welcome back to Watch the Kettle, and today we're having a different kind of video. Today we're talking about watch straps, and I have two complete watch strap monsters here, the Tudor Black Bay Chrono and the Hamilton Khaki Field watch. And what's going to help us do that is Northstar. Now this UK based company ships worldwide, and I actually went for the sealed cloth deployment clasp option. Now I got these in two colors. We have a black and we also have some sort of military green. Now, first thing that came to mind is this steel deployment clasp is actually quality. In terms of the brushing as well, is really good because when you pair this up with your high-end watches like an Omega or a Speedmaster or a Tudor or a Rolex, you don't lose quality in the whole entire watch at all. So really easy clasp here. It works perfectly, smooth to operate, and the finishing actually really surprised me. And I love that hint of Northstar written in there, just a little subtle logo, nothing too much. So it actually blends into whatever watch you might want to pair this up with. So we even have stickers as well all around, so it kind of gives you that new watch feel that I have been looking for. I was so close to selling my Tudor Black Bay Chrono till I actually tried out this watch strap. So the first one we're going to try is the green one, and it's kind of given this olive green. I think it's actually called olive green. We have Northstar written over there. We have 22mm as the sizing, and it's such a beautiful leather it has, surprisingly. For the price point as well is really good. We have that gray stitching going around, and we have this deployment clasp here, so it's quite easy to put in. I know most people get a bit wary about scratching watches, getting certain watch tools, but when you have that, it's easy to actually put the watch on. Now, second option, I think I'm going to put my Tudor Black Bay Chrono on the black version. So this is the black with the white stitching going all around it as well. You can see Northstar there, 22, and as you can see, you have that easy release clip at the top, and I just love the detail of the stitching in this. Now let's see how we could pair these on my watches. As you can see right there, beautiful, good high quality leather straps with the beautiful stitching on them. And this is going to change the look of your watches if you're trying to basically scratch the itch of a new watch. You know, I got tired of this brown leather on my Hamilton Khaki, and I love the Hamilton Khaki because it's a strap monster, similar to like an Omega Speedmaster or an IWC. So let's get into this. So to do this, I have my toolkit here. There's so many ways to actually do this. I'm a bit extra having as much tools as I can for my watches. So I'm going to take one of these pins in order to take out my current strap from the watch. So let's dig right in. So what you usually do, there is a pin obviously on each side of the watch, and I would just basically go in here and unbuckle that, or should I say get in there and get that out of there. I'm quite not a steady-handed person, so it does vary, but putting it on is the most beautiful part. As you can see, putting it on is easy to put in. You pull the string bar back and you just clip it right in. So there you go. You have the pin going into one of the holes, and then it just slides right in there, and there is a nice clicking sound it actually makes when it actually connects. So that took me maybe about a minute or two because I'm not really good with terms of steady hands, but removing it as well to change the strap is as easy as that. Just pulling that lever and you can easily remove this. So I prefer this sort of straps on like the original that was on the Hamilton Khaki, because I have to bring the tool and end up scratching the watch as well. But with this sort of easy release watch straps, it's easy to put your watch in and out without any tools whatsoever. Now look at that. I have a new watch in my opinion. This is beautiful. Yes, we know the Khaki is a strap monster, but having this olive green there is amazing. So next step is the clasp. So how we do this is very similar as well. Still making use of that pin mechanism. You just click it all the way in there and boom. If you have big hands like me, you might need the tool as well, just to basically push in the pin in there to make that satisfying click again. So pushing that in, boom, and we have that in there. So oops, got the pin from the tool as well stuck in there. So as you can see, that was quite an easy installation, and then the rest of the clasp is very easy to install as well. So this is just basically how you buckle on the watch in terms of adjustments, and you have several holes as well that you could actually adjust it to. So everyone knows how to basically wear a watch and put it in terms of how you want it to fit your wrist. So you slide this in there, and then you choose a hole and you click it in, and that should be it. And once that's adjusted to your preferred pin, you close it, and voila, all done. So easy to install, so easy to take off. Beautiful, beautiful, high quality watch strap. Now, one thing I wish they did was put the Northstar on the other end of the buckle, just to basically to display more of the brand. But boom, snug and fit, it does the job. And one thing I like about this strap is that I didn't have to make an extra hole, because sometimes I have to make an extra hole for it to fit me the best way possible. But you have holes across the range that could fit most size wrists. I have a 7.5-inch wrist, as you can see. Now, time for the Tudor Black Bay Chrono. Still have stickers on my bracelet, but my bracelet is scratched up, as you can see. I was really contemplating selling this and buying an Omega Speedmaster, because I really like the Omega Speedmaster's mesh strap. And when I saw this deployment sailcloth strap, I was like, boom, this is perfect. All I need to do is change the strap on the Tudor and I'll be in love with it again. Look at that. Perfect panda combination, black and white, and on the strap you have that black and white white stitching as well. So I have another tool here, a clip that I'm going to use to take out the bracelet off my Tudor. Tudor's already scratched up anyway, so I really don't care, but that's a really good tool to actually get. Now, watch is naked and I'm putting on a strap, easy to put on, as you can see. Pull up the pin and then click in, and boom, it's done. As usual, I'm very clumsy with my hands, but such an easy installation. Probably took me 5 minutes or less for both. So voila, that is done. And then the next one, the same thing as well. You just need to pull down the pin, put it in the holes, and then push down and release. Voila, as you can see, so easy and quick. Northstar is beautiful. Now, when I got this on, I was like, this is a totally different watch. Going back to that high quality buckle again, it fits the Tudor as well, because the Tudor is actually mainly brushed. So that brushed on brush is actually really good in terms of like matching on the quality of the Tudor. We know Tudor is a sister company to Rolex, so it's not really lacking on any sort of quality over there. So got my handy tool out, put the pin in, easy to install, and voila. And as usual, you'll pick up the size in which you want your pin to go for your wrist measurement, and you're done. So perfectly placed, and there you have it, all fit with the watch. Now we have Watches and Wonders coming up. I know everyone's excited for the new watch releases and all that. If you want to get a new watch without having to buy a brand new watch, in my opinion, the best way is to basically get a new strap. So get a new strap in terms of a NATO strap. You could get a Jubilee bracelet if you have an Oyster bracelet already, or you could get an Oyster bracelet if you have a Jubilee bracelet as well. You could get rubber straps. You could get sailcloth straps like this from Northstar. So I think everyone should actually incorporate this new habit of changing the look and feel of your watches, because these are high-end, expensive horological items, and you don't want to lose quality in terms of a strap. So I would always recommend Northstar straps. But if you don't want to basically keep on buying a brand new watch all the time, just change the strap. Why not? Have a new look and feel. And the weight of the watch top and the weight of the buckle at the bottom just basically complements and have a lovely balance. Anyways guys, I think I have two brand new watches here. I'm more enjoying the Tudor Black Bay better, I wouldn't lie, and this is the perfect way to switch it up. So I'm saving you some money here guys. Anyways, I'll put the link to their website in the description and their Instagram page, and you can check them out. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.